Hi guys. Today I'm going to give you more examples about inheritance in this video. So what I've done is I have discussed this file already in the previous video. So let's go with the examples of this particular task. So I will try to run this file. So what I've done is I've specified some of the characteristics of tiger over here, and I've created a new static void over here. And what I will do next is I will try to run this file and see what's the output of this one. So when I try to run this file, I will get the output like this. Yep, so if I want to like make some changes over here, I can make it in the tiger file. Now let me show you some more examples. Like if I go to another file, for instance feline.cs, I will get an I've done the same thing. I've done the same thing like the other files, the other examples which I've shown you already. But what I've done is I have added some more stuff like what's the name of feline and stuff like that. And what's next I have done is I have let me try running this file, and the output I will get is like this. And if I want to add some more stuff over here, I can add it in the main file itself. Now let me show you some more examples. For instance, let's go to equal.cs file, and over here what I've done is I've added some characteristic like it has laid an egg, it's flying, and it is making noise and stuff like that, like this. Now I want to add I want to run this whole thing. It shows me an error, so I think there might be some sort of an issue in this one. So let's see over here. Yep, so the main error was the main xx thing. So I need to remove this stuff, and when I will try to run this one again, what I will get is the output of this file. And see over here, I've got an output over here. So my mistake over here was I kept main as xx and I haven't removed that xx. So I got an error, but when I removed that xx from that main part, I got the output over here. So when I just enter this, yep, and when I go to another file, like you can say penguin.cs, so over here I need to remove that xx part, and I have added some of the points over here, like how much does it eat and stuff like that. It's sleeping and it's flying and it's making noise, and it's the same thing, but I'm using different animals over here, animals and birds. So what I'm doing is I'm trying to run this file, and what I get an output is this. So I can add some stuff, add more stuff over here. I can just give one thing like it eats like around 4.4 to 11 lb fishes. Now let me show you a couple of examples more. So hold on. Yep, so when I go back to lion.cs file, I get, yep, so what I've done over here is the same thing. I have defined name, diet, location, and most about lion. And what I've done is I have said that it makes noises and it eats, it sleeps and stuff like that. Now I'm calling it in the main thing, in the public static void, and I'm trying to call it. So let's see what's the output. What do we get as output? Yeah, so as you guys can see, I got this as output, and you guys can make any sort of change in this one. You just need to create some more objects and stuff, and you need to just define them, and you will get awesome outputs in this one. Now if I show you wolf.cs file, I've done the same thing. I have defined all the variables over here, all the objects, and all the necessary stuff which we need to show in the file. And what I've done next is I need to run this file. So when I run this file, what I get an output is like this. So this is pretty awesome that I get a lot of output like this. You guys just need to take care about this, that you get a really good output. Then what I've done, I'm going to show you a new topic file, which is overloading.cs. So over here, this example basically shows about what does overloading means. So overloading means what overload basically means is we can keep the same name for two or more than two classes. For instance, in this code, what I've done is I first defined static void main. Over there I have defined method to be overloaded, and this will be the information in that particular in this one. Now what I have done is I have specified the name, variable name, in one of the class, and in the second one I have done I've defined name and age. So I will try to run this one. What will be the output of this one? Yep, so I got this as an output. I can change whatever name I want to keep, whatever age I want to keep, and I can change the characteristics as well. So you guys will have understood what overloading means. Now let me show you one more example. But before that, hold on, I need to make some changes over here. So what I have done in this one is this is an example of inheritance. So this might be the last example of that topic. So this might probably give you more idea about it. So what I have done is I will try to run this file and let you guys see what the output comes. But before that, let me show you the whole thing, the whole code of this one. Yep. So when I run this code, what I get as output is, yep, this is it. This is the output for that one, that code. So you guys can go through the code and make any changes you want to. I hope you guys will have got really good information from this video, and if you guys have any questions, you can ask me anytime in the comments box. Thanks for watching.